Think back to big market moves, whether years ago or just last week. The next big winner is often right in front of us, but hidden under noise, rumors, opinions, and endless data. Most investors hesitate, wondering, is this a real breakout or a trap? The truth is, guesswork doesn't help. Successful investors don't rely on luck. They follow clear, proven patterns. The biggest stock market winners rarely look obvious to the naked eye, but they always leave a trail. This is why top investors trust MarketSmith India. We don't just give you data, we give you a philosophy. MarketSmith is built on the CAN-SLIM methodology, the legendary system perfected by William J. O'Neill after analyzing over 100 years of the market's greatest winners. While others are drowning in headlines, MarketSmith brings together powerful stock ratings, professional-grade charts, automatic pattern recognition, and structured idea lists, all designed to help investors identify high-potential stocks before major breakouts. It's not about chasing moves, it's about preparing for them. This isn't just theory, it's the playbook of disciplined traders like Mike Webster, Charles Harris, and Jim Ruppel. They didn't build their legendary track records by following tips. They followed a system. Because in the market, emotions are costly, but discipline pays. Success in the markets isn't about working harder, it's about seeing clearer. Stop chasing the move, start preparing for it. MarketSmith India, the same framework used by the pros, now in your hands. Visit MarketSmith India today and discover your edge.